So we were explaining yesterday regarding the cross elasticity of demand, that you know that what is cross elasticity of demand, children? Changes in quantity demanded of X due to changes in the price of Y. Already we have discussed this. And cross elasticity is true only when the goods are interrelated. Perfect. Girls are giving the answer. Goods are interrelated. What are the example? Substitutes or complementary goods. कल हमने बात किया था. Okay, substitute का case में देखो, yesterday we discussed that cross elasticity is positive. I get the example. When the price of 1 minute ये लोग आवाज बनाते हैं 1 minute. I will just come. Okay, I have told you the example of tea and coffee. When the price of coffee increases, demand for tea increases. You are perfectly right. Then we were explaining about complementary goods. By the time the lecture got over, the complementary goods ka cross elasticity is negative. Take down that. Okay, the cross elasticity for complementary goods are take down. ऐसे ही बैठने का नहीं. Cross elasticity for complementary good is negative. I'm repeating. You can see over there. Cross elasticity for complementary good is negative. This is what I'm explaining. Cross elasticity for substitute is positive. Cross elasticity for complementary good is negative. What is the reason? When the price of petrol increases, अब देखो demand for car decreases. When the price of petrol increases, demand for car decreases. Now you are aware that you are aware that 1 liter of petrol is costing 112 rupees. Okay, so लोग बहुत सोचते हैं ये प्राइस में पेट्रोल लेने का या नहीं और गाड़ी लेने का नहीं, because you can buy the car, maybe 4 लाख में आपको गाड़ी मिल जाएगा, लेकिन पेट्रोल लेने के लिए बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है. So here आपने देखा कि goods in the when the price of the petrol increases, demand for car decreases. Now I am discussing the third one, that is cross elasticity for neutral goods. देखो इधर, cross elasticity for neutral goods are 0. ऐसा क्वेश्चन आएगा, cross elasticity for neutral good is dash. Cross elasticity for neutral good is 0. आपको ये डाउट आएगा, मैडम न्यूट्रल गुड क्या है? न्यूट्रल गुड मीन्स नॉर्मल गुड. Neither they are substitute nor neither they are substitute nor they are complementary. Substitute भी नहीं है, इधर लिखता है. No substitute or nor complementary. Normal goods है. Complementary. They are known as neutral good. ये देखो, neutral good का example क्या है? Say for example, petrol and TV. You take the case of petrol and TV. When the price of petrol changes, TV का demand में कुछ change नहीं होगा directly. Okay, it is not like car and petrol. So when the price of petrol changes, you can give the example petrol and TV. Petrol and TV, they are the neutral goods. When the price of petrol changes, nothing will happen to the demand for TV. Similarly, petrol and laptop, कोई संबंध ही नहीं है. So that type of goods के लिए cross elasticity is 0. So there are 3 types of cross elasticity. Cross elasticity for substitute is positive. आपने देखा. Cross elasticity of complementary good is negative. Cross elasticity for neutral good is 0. These 3 things you will have to remember. Now we have to draw that diagram. Of promotional elasticity ke pehle, yeah, this is the diagram yesterday I told you. देखो, this is the cross elasticity for substitute. आपको देख सकते हैं. Cross elasticity for substitute. How do we draw that? Look here. This is the cross elasticity for substitute. It is positive. Ligo. It is positive. Upward sloping है. Boys, it is positive. So आप x-axis में क्या लिखिएगा? T. वो important है. Y-axis में आप लिखिएगा coffee और vice versa. Cross elasticity is substitute tea and coffee. So cross elasticity positive है. Diagram draw किया? Boys, doing okay. 2, 4, 6, 7, 12, 14, 16. अभी देखो cross elasticity for complementary goods. ये देखो, इधर क्या लिखेगा? X axis में car, be careful. Y axis में petrol or vice versa. Cross elasticity is negative. Cross elasticity is negative. That we have explained. That is same diagram repeat hota hai na idhar. Are you asking about which one I couldn't get? A wala? Idhar. Idhar petrol. Idhar negative. 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 This is negative. X-axis car. It is downward sloping. You can see. Abhi we will draw for neutral goods. Neutral goods, anything you can write. It should not be related. I told you either petrol ligo. Either you can write laptop. Laptop. How we will draw the diagram? It will be vertical straight line. Vertical straight line. ED is 0. ED is 0. Online children, would you understand? Chat box में डालो yes or no? Petrol is very expensive, correct? Good children, right? Yes, thank you children, thank you. Okay, now we are going to discuss promotional elasticity of demand. This you have not studied in 12th standard. Promotional elasticity of demand. What do you mean by promotional elasticity of demand? We are using the term EA. Elasticity. Now E stands for elasticity, A stands for advertisement. Promotional elasticity क्या है? Percentage change in quantity demanded divided by percentage change in advertisement expenditure. ये देखो. Percentage change in advertisement expenditure. Bachelo, be very careful. Promotional elasticity का meaning क्या है? Any money the firm has spent for promoting the sales. सेल्स बढ़ाने के लिए कंपनी ने जो खर्चा करता है, that is known as promotional expenditure. और सेल्स बढ़ाने के लिए मैक्सिमम पैसा भी किधर डालता है? That is on advertisement. So the money spent on advertisement is known as promotional elasticity of demand. Okay. There is a positive relationship. This is important. There is a positive relationship between what? Quantity demanded and advertisement expenditure. What do you mean by that? The question will be, there is a dash relationship between quantity demanded and advertisement expenditure. Your answer will be positive. Why do we say positive, children? Because when the company spend more and more money on advertisement, sales ज़्यादा बढ़ जाएगा. जितना ज़्यादा expenditure advertisement के ऊपर करते हैं, उतना ज़्यादा sales बढ़ेगा. Okay, the more money companies spend on advertisement, the more will be the sales. So there is a positive relationship between quantity demanded and advertisement. ये देखो, promotional elasticity of demand is positive. You can see there. Promotional elasticity of demand is positive. Now, I just wanted to ask you, आप देखो, you are watching, IPL match, or you are watching World Cup football, cricket. You really get fed up. एक मिनट में इतना ज़्यादा advertisement आएगा. The main reason is what? They know that so many people all over the world, all over India, they are watching this. So when so many people are watching, automatically this advertisement, it will capture their mind continuously. So when you are seeing an advertisement constantly, naturally that you will remember. When you go to buy the product, you will remember that. Amitabh Bachchan is coming as a brand ambassador. Okay, chocolate se start karke sab item mein Amitabh Bachchan is coming. Or Shah Rukh Khan is coming for that Byju's app. So आपको Byju app का नाम ही नहीं है, लेकिन you are remembering Shah Rukh Khan. So automatically आप बोलते वो Shah Rukh Khan जिधर आता है ना वो product हमको चाहिए. Amitabh Bachchan जिधर आते, see that. Because that face is so familiar to us. Or Virat Kohli, cricket leaders, cricket players, you are remembering that. That is the main reason company is spending crores of rupees on advertisement. That is the main reason cricket players are interested more in advertisement than in playing the cricket. एक बार टीम में गया, then automatically वो लोगों को advertisement का इतना offer आता है. So जितना time खेलेगा, so many times ahead is advertisement expenditure, right? You are aware, boys are aware, I hope girls are also aware. One advertisement के लिए they are getting 200 crore, 300 crore. That much money they are getting per year. So why the company is spending so much on advertisement? Because company knows that advertisement will increase the sales. Please remember that. Now you are aware that last week, like there was Navaratri. Now Navaratri is followed by Diwali. So up Times mein dekho 2 pages, 3 pages, front page. Itna advertisement है, full of advertisement. किसका है? Amazon का, Flipkart का. You are seeing that. Reliance Fresh, D-Mart. इतना competition में advertisement जाता है. At least 2 pages तो full advertisement में सब जगह में लिखा के free. So consumer देखता है. So when they like that, they will buy. So as a young people, please understand, advertisement influences psychology of the consumer. Because the psychology में एक बार बैठ गया, हम वही product लेगा. That is very important. So promotional elasticity of demand क्या है, children? The money that firm is spending on advertisement. And what is the relation? Higher the advertisement, dash will be the sales. What is the answer? higher the advertisement, dash will be the sales. Answer क्या होगा? Yeah, increase or higher or more. Because when the company spend more on advertisement, automatically the sales also increases. Okay. And it depends upon many factors. You know that again. The brand value also play a very important role. Brand value. What do you mean by brand value, children? There are so many people who will use only a particular brand. For example, soap. Soap use करने का time I like only Pears. So मेरे लिए वो brand सबसे important है, मैं वही use करेगा. So company भी देखता है because of the advertisement how the people are accepting some brand. You are young children, you are very well aware. Some 5-6 years before, same place I was teaching the students. Nokia was enjoying 40% in the mobile market. I'm talking about 5 to 6 years before. Same place I was teaching. Mobile market means there was a company known as Nokia. Sales ka 40% was enjoyed by Nokia. Today, if I say that, you will not accept. Okay. Today, which company has taken the place of Nokia? Samsung. You are right. Samsung has taken the place of Nokia. So what is happening? Advertisement, brand value, so many things play very important role in the demand. Please remember that. Because the producer should know how to attract the consumer. Consumer को जब तक attract नहीं करेगा, the product will not be demanded. That is the reason nowadays there is a lot of competition which is going between Amazon, Flipkart, okay, DMart, Reliance Fresh. So they know that by continuously advertising, दिवाली के पहले तो लोग कुछ तो कुछ खरीदेगा. अभी डाउट एक है कि किधर से खरीदने का है. So that advertisement help the people. So we have seen various types of elasticity of demand. What all things we have studied? First one, consider price elasticity of demand. You are right. Second one, income elasticity of demand. You are right. Third one, cross elasticity of demand. Online wala. Fourth one, yes, promotional elasticity of demand. Correct. So the question is, elasticity is very, very significant. The reason I told you, when the price changes, what percentage the quantity will change, that is decided by elasticity. Now we are going to discuss factors influencing elasticity of demand. 1 minute. You can take the heading. Unnecessarily, yes. Factors influencing elasticity of demand. This will also be asked for objective. This image, this page ka image I will be sharing immediately after the class. You can take down the point also. What are the factors which are influencing elasticity of demand? In case you are referring the book, it is page number 76 and 77. No need of referring now, I am just telling you. Page number 76 and 77, Johnson book. Yeah, some of you are having the book, no problem. Textbook will not help you that much, but something is better. That's the only logic behind it. So the first one, what are the factors which are influencing elasticity of demand? First one, देखो आप, nature of commodity. First point is nature of commodity. Okay, nature of commodity हमने देखा. There are three types of commodity. First one is necessary, कल हम देखा था. Okay, there are three types of commodity. First one is necessary. Yesterday na income elasticity में हमने पढ़ा. Second one is comfort. Third one is luxury. You are right. There are three types of product: necessary, comforts, and luxury. You only tell. Mannan Prakashan ka book पे चलो. Correct. Page number 76, 77. Okay. Necessary goods के लिए children, what will be the nature of elasticity? कैसा होगा? In the case of necessary goods, the demand will be relatively inelastic. Relatively inelastic. Relatively inelastic. In the case of necessary goods, the demand will be relatively inelastic. Example क्या दिया? Medicine. Okay. What are the necessary goods what we are taking? Food grains. Chawal होने दो, wheat होने दो, medicine. These are the, I couldn't get. Milk, right? Milk. These are all the necessary item. I told you price change होने पर quantity demanded ज़्यादा change नहीं होगा. I told you that tomorrow government says the price of the milk is reduced by 10 rupees per liter. Even then your mother will not buy 5 liters of milk every day extra, because that much need is not there. And milk is a perishable commodity. So in the case of necessary good children, demand is relatively inelastic. Okay. What about this comforts? In the case of comforts, demand is relatively elastic, not inelastic, elastic. थोड़ा change होगा comparing to luxury goods. Okay. हाँ, ये लोग relatively inelastic ही बोले. You are right. Book में relatively inelastic ही बोले. We will also follow that. I can argue in the other manner also. In the case of comforts, demand is relatively inelastic. Their argument is different. Both the manner we can argue. Demand is relatively inelastic. Why? I told you, you take the case of fans. आपका घर में 4-5 fan है. So when the income increases, you will not buy so many fans extra. Okay, that is why they are calling it as relatively inelastic. Modern world में necessary and comforts are more or less same. That is the main problem. Today's world, you take the case of mobile. We cannot call mobile as a luxury. Mobile become luxury when we buy the high-end mobile. Otherwise, it is a comfort. So there are so many people, a mobile चलेगा. Income increase होने पर भी वो लोग नया mobile लेगा नहीं. That is how they are arguing that. In the case of comforts, demand is relatively inelastic. What about luxury children? In the case of luxury product, we know that demand is relatively elastic. Demand is relatively elastic. What is the reason? Why in the case of luxury goods, demand is relatively elastic? Due to what reason? Because we know that when the price changes, people will buy more of luxury goods. अभी आप देखो दिवाली आता है, इसलिए बहुत सारा डिस्काउंट ऑफर आएगा. So many people are waiting. मैं दिवाली का टाइम पर एसी खरीदेगा और लक्ष्मी पूजा का दिन मैंने एक स्कूटर लेगा, because it's an auspicious day. And so people are waiting. Luxury product ka demand is such that when the price changes, quantity demanded also changes. So the demand is relatively elastic in the case of luxury goods. Is it clear? We have discussed three goods: necessary, comforts, and luxury. Necessary and comforts, they got relatively inelastic. Luxury got relatively elastic, right? Second point क्या है? Availability of substitute. Availability of substitute. अब देखो, when more substitutes are available, demand will be more elastic. Demand will be more elastic. Demand will be more elastic when more substitutes are available. When more substitutes are available, boys take down the points. Demand will be more elastic. What is the reason? ये नहीं तो वो available है. So demand will become elastic. I told you, if I do not get Pepsi, there are so many other chances are available with me. I can try for Coke, I can try for Mirinda, any other brand which is available. So the more substitute are available, demand will be more elastic. Substitute ही नहीं है, then the demand will be inelastic. When the number of substitute is less, demand will be inelastic. We go there. When the number of substitute is less, demand is inelastic. Demand is inelastic. Demand is inelastic. You take the case of example, metro train. Metro train के उधर demand is inelastic. जिसको घाटकोपर से अंधेरी जाने का है, उसके पास vehicle नहीं है, he has to reach faster, he will prefer metro. So there you cannot go and argue, I will not pay 30 rupees ticket, I will not pay 40 rupees ticket, because uधर demand is inelastic. Whatever is the price, pay that, then travel, because you don't have an option. That is the reason. When options are available, demand becomes relatively elastic. You take the case of that black color normal, old taxis. Nowadays, their demand has become almost nil. That black color taxis, I am talking about the old Premier taxi cars. What is the reason? Today everybody is using Ola or Uber. Because substitutes are available. Abhi nahi hai, I am talking about 10-15 years before you were small children. आप airport से आता है, नहीं तो आप railway station से आता है, 15 years before. A taxi drivers इतना नाटक करता था, passengers used to suffer. Today ऐसा कुछ issue ही नहीं है. The moment you are out of the airport or you are out of the railway station, you are booking, you are getting either Ola or you are getting Uber or other models of online taxis which are available. So when the substitutes are available, what will happen? Demand will become elastic because you are getting the option. Please remember that. They had given the example, demand for sugar. Book mein diya hai, demand for sugar is more elastic than demand for salt. Demand for sugar is more elastic than demand for salt. What is the reason? Sugar, there are so many people who don't take sugar. Sugar का substitute available है. चाहिए पर you can take jaggery, गुड़ ले सकता है. There is one option. Or sugar free. Tablets are available. Powder is available. आपको मालूम है? I do not know. There is a sugar free product, stevia. Okay, young children try to understand. STEVIA. I will rub this and write. Yeah. Stevia. Stevia किसके लिए? Sugar के substitute is stevia. And US में stevia is the most accepted product. Stevia आपको मालूम है किधर से बनाता है? तुलसी प्लांट से. जो तुलसी है ना, वो तुलसी is so herbal. वो तुलसी plant से they are making stevia. So there are so many people who are using only stevia. So that आपको diabetes वगैरह आने का chances कम होगा. Because you are not taking direct sugar. Okay, but at the same time, salt के सामने we don't have a substitute. Salt आपको लेना ही पड़ेगा because we don't have the substitute. So when the substitute is available, demand will be elastic. Please make it very clear. Third point is what? Habit and custom. Habit and custom. According to your habit and custom, demand is inelastic. Give me the example. According to the habit and custom, demand is relatively, whatever I am talking, that is relatively. Demand is relatively inelastic. Demand is relatively inelastic. Online beche log, are you following? Yes or no, Dalo? Habit, and because of the habit and custom, demand for that product is relatively inelastic. Best example. 1 minute. Oh, good. Thank you, children. So, kabhi I should not forget them. Okay, what is happening is during the festival season, I told you, I don't know whether young boys and girls have seen. Navaratri ka time, Chembur market में आपको शाम को this year, last year तक there was a lockdown, matter ही अलग है. इतना rush था because what is happening is it's a festival. People have to buy certain things because it's a habit. It is a custom. Your grandmother was following, your mother is following, even you will follow. Similarly, when your Eid comes, it is a festival, it's a custom. Madam, naya kapda lena hi padega. So people are going and buying. So because what is happening is, udhar zyada change nahi hoga, lena hi padega. Similarly, I told you habit. People who are taking the cigarettes, who are smoking, they are not bothered whatever you talk to them. Everybody knows it. So many advertisements are coming. Cigarette ke upar likha hai, it is injurious to health. Still they are smoking because it's a habit. That is the reason. Similarly, the people who are drinking alcohol, they know everything. Liver will be damaged. It is not good for health. Even then they are drinking because it is a habit. So habit and custom, there are people, young children, you like ice cream, a particular brand. For example, when I take ice cream, I don't know, I like that Naturals ice cream. You know that Chembur mein wo side mein na Naturals. Natural ka ek ice cream, it is very good. Basically, the quality is excellent. So I like that brand. So costly hone par bhi main wahi lega. There are some people, they like the other brand, Amul ka, okay, or Baskin Robbins. So this habits, it is, you cannot change. That's why in English we say, habit die hard. Ek baar habit pad gaya, it is very difficult to change it. Now online, 1.5 years you were at home. And 12th was such an year, lastly there was no exam only. So that uncertainty, there are so many children who are accepting or who may be thinking, madam, this year also there will not be exam. But suddenly colleges reopened. So it is very difficult for the people to accept the change. So the demand is inelastic. That's the meaning. Next up, dekho, alternative uses. Alternative uses. What do you mean by alternative uses? There are so many products which are having alternative uses. There are many products which are having alternative uses. Demand is elastic. Demand is elastic when the product is having alternative uses. Demand is elastic when the product is having alternative uses. I am repeating because I can see children are writing. Demand is elastic when the product is having alternative uses. What is the example what they had given? Generally, everybody use that example only. Electricity. One minute, I will push this up. Electricity. Electricity got many uses. That is the reason home consumption का electricity rate different है, commercial का electricity rate different है. Electricity बहुत सारा जगह में use होता है. So the demand is elastic. इधर नहीं तो उधर use होगा. So when the product is having multiple uses, the demand will be elastic. Okay. Now, this time is almost over. I am stopping the